Hi everyone, welcome to the Botany Squared channel. My name is Mary and today's little kitchen project is making some cookies of cashew butter, which are very good for your skin and will make you just glow while tasting delicious. They're made with no butter, no refined sugar, no flour, so all of the things that we're always told that can have a negative impact on our skin. So we can feel very, very good eating these cookies, no guilt, just really, really good flavor. So let's get in the kitchen and we'll go bake some cookies. So we're going to start with turning the oven on 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit and preparing a baking tray with some parchment paper to get that all ready for the oven. And then taking out a bowl, we're going to start measuring the ingredients. So we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of coconut palm sugar, 1 cup of cashew butter. As you can see, my measurements are really fairly crude, so hopefully you'll be a bit better than me. Just mix that all up. It can take a little bit of time just because the cashew butter is so sticky, but it should look relatively close to this. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg. And again, with the vanilla extract, I just love the taste, so I kind of put in as much as I want, but you can be more careful than me. And again, mixing that up really carefully so it looks like a smooth paste like this. And then in a separate bowl, taking the cinnamon, the baking soda, and a little salt, mixing that up and adding that to the wet ingredients. Mixing that up one final time to make sure everything's well incorporated. And at this point, you can add in raisins if you like them. I love them, so I always do. And you're just gonna start making tiny little balls with your hands. So, a tablespoon or 2 each, depending on what size you'd like the cookies to be, and fill your baking tray with those. You might want to, at this stage, kind of use a spoon to tap the tops of the cookies a little bit, because as they don't have any butter or sugar, they're not going to spread in the oven very much. And then we're ready to just put them in the oven, so it should be ready by now. You're just going to bake them for around 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how gooey you generally like your cookies. I tend to like them a little bit gooier, so I usually do it for 8 minutes. And then they will be ready to eat. So here they are coming out. As you can see, they haven't spread out very much, but they are looking delicious. So I hope you enjoy these cookies for a time when your sweet tooth is craving a little something. They are so much healthier than a traditional cookie. So please enjoy the recipe and see you next time.